Welcome to LD Plus. I'm Dr. Lakshmi. Today we'll be discussing about negative reviews. We all are happy when we get positive reviews, but what about negative reviews? When we get any negative reviews, we get irritated, we get angry, we want to respond at that time and tell them that that's not true, or we want to justify ourselves. There are a lot of different things, but actually, these negative feedbacks are very much important and necessary for us. And also, it is a blessing in disguise. In today's video, we will be discussing three reasons how these negative reviews are necessary and how they are a blessing in disguise. So let's get started. The first reason is we can use these negative feedback as constructive criticism. Now, let me explain this further. Imagine somebody has complained to you about wait times, that the treatment was very good and the staff was good, but there was a lot of wait time in the clinic. So maybe this kind of comment or this kind of feedback may not be experienced by only 1%. So never consider these negative feedbacks as only one person and one comment. It may be felt by your other patients as well, but those patients chose to remain silent. But this is something, issue which your patients are feeling, and one of those patients have expressed their feeling. Think of it like that. So if you are getting something about maybe the cleanliness or maybe your staff uh, behavior or maybe something about our treatment, every negative feedback, try to think about it as a constructive criticism. Can you do anything about it? How can you improve yourself so that maybe not this patient but other patient may not go through the same kind of feeling? So that is something which we can learn from these negative feedbacks. I know it is very difficult. I know it is the negative feedbacks are very discouraging and it is very difficult for us to accept. But the sooner we accept, the sooner we apply, and the sooner we find the solution, we are the ones who will be benefited by that. Our clinic will be progressing. We'll find different ways how we can solve our patient's problem, everything. Let me give you one more example. Imagine the 3M company has launched a new restorative material and we bought it. We didn't find something which is not good. Maybe the mixing time was too much. So we complained about those things to the 3M company. Now, should they justify it or should they improve their product and launch something new? If they take these negative feedbacks from us, we are the customers of same company and we are the customers of that particular restorative material which they have introduced into the market, and we find that these are the negative points and that's why we are not comfortable using that again. But if they improve those things, if they somehow launch another material which has positive things and which they improve on these, maybe the mixing time or something like that, though that is the way how the 3M company can improve and they can grow their business. The same thing is applicable to us. We also should understand what are the problems which are faced by our patients, how we can improve. Then only we will be able to grow our clinic. So, every negative feedback, we should tackle that with the right attitude and the right strategy so that we can use that for our advantage. So, that is the first reason. Now, let's go ahead to the second reason. Second reason is it is very much less expensive to retain a current patient rather than to attract a new patient. To add a new patient, we have to apply so many marketing strategies. We have to wait for them to see those strategies and then, come back to us. Not come back to us, but to come to us. But The current patients who have already experienced everything, who we have given the treatment, maybe they got some bad experience, but it's easy and less expensive to convert the experience, the bad experience, and to rectify our mistakes rather than to just ignore them and then try to attract the new patient. So if you have any current patient who has responded something negative to your clinic or your clinic reviews and all, we can call them, we can try to rectify that problem, we can try to solve that problem, because the next coming patients, or the one which we are attracting by spending so much, they will not face this issue. And thus we will be able to retain our current customers more. And that is one thing which we want. We don't want to lose our current customers. We want them to retain. We want them to come back to us. So that is the second main reason why negative feedbacks are important to us. Because as for any other company like 3M or anything else, we are the customers. Same thing for us, our patients are our customers. So we should always upgrade ourselves. We should always apply those changes which are necessary to grow our practice. The third reason is there has been a lot of research which has been done across the world on how patients respond to the reviews. So they have found that 82% 82% of the patients who are searching online for and reading the reviews, they read the negative reviews first. So whenever somebody is searching for you online, imagine if 10 people are searching for you online, 8 of those will read the negative reviews first. Even we do it. When we search for some materials on Amazon or Flipkart, we'll read about the negative reviews. We see what are those reviews which have been written, and especially the negative ones. Same is applicable to us. They'll read the negative feedbacks which are there on our clinic, and they'll read the reply which we have. How, as a clinic, we have tackled those issues. So these are the three reasons why negative feedbacks are necessary to us, and how it can be a blessing in disguise just with the right attitude and the right strategy. I hope you liked today's video. In my next video, we will share the strategy which we apply in our clinic whenever we get any negative review that helped us to convert these negative review to a blessing in disguise. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and send us a hi on this number, and we'll add you to our special broadcast list, and you'll be the first person to receive any free material which we are releasing online. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.